Your name, sir?
Cody Lee Jolly.
All right. And we have your competency report back. Have you had an opportunity to review that, sir?
I have.
Pardon?
I have.
All right. Is there any other additional evidence you want to give the court?
Not at this time.
None from the people, Your Honor. We would stipulate to the report authored by Graham Parker dated May 7th, 2024, and ask that the court make its finding based on the.
Based upon a review of that report and the only evidence before the court would find that the defendant is competent to stand trial and that defendant understands the nature and the objects of the proceedings against him and can rationally assist in his defense. And so the defendant is deemed competent. I'd ask the people to prepare an order if you could.
Yes, sir.
In this instance. All right. Mr. Jolly, do you still wish to continue to represent yourself, sir, or do you wish to have the assistance of an attorney?
Continue to represent myself, please.
All right. I'm going to advise you of a couple of things. There's a danger in representing yourself. You understand that?
I am aware of that.
You understand that in any proceeding, the court is going to treat you the same as any attorney and that you have to abide by the court rules.
Correct.
That you will not get any favoritism from the court regarding anything or anything in the proceeding. You understand that?
I do understand.
You understand also that if at any time you make a decision that you wish to be represented by counsel, that you would have to let the court know, and the court would make sure that counsel would be afforded to you.
Okay.
You understand that?
I do understand.
All right. And so I do also have to advise you that you are before the court on two charges. It's two charges. Two charges of criminal sexual conduct in the 4th degree. You understand that, sir?
I do understand.
And that these are alleged to have occurred on January 27, 2024. You understand that?
I do understand.
And the court also does have to advise you that these are high court misdemeanors. They are punishable by up to 2 years incarceration and or $500 fine plus court costs, mandatory HIV and STD testing, and DNA would be taken upon your arrest and should have been taken. You understand that, sir?
I do understand.
All right. So, sir, I will formally ask you, do you still wish to proceed without counsel?
Yes, I do.
All right. What do you wish the court to now set this for, sir?
The last that I was aware of was a preliminary exam that we were doing. I'm trying to move forward as quick as possible, so I'd ask you if that's where we start, that's okay. If we move forward,
You wish to set for a preliminary examination?
if that's the furthest along I can get, then yes.
Well, that's the next step.
Okay, then yes. That's
All right. So you want to have a preliminary examination in this matter, or you want to proceed to circuit court? There are a number of options that you would have.
okay. Yeah, if we can proceed right to the circuit court, that would be okay.
Okay. All right. But you understand that there would not be a hearing, the preliminary examination, which the court would attempt to make a finding or would make a finding as to whether or not crimes were committed and you committed them. That if you were to proceed directly to circuit court, that hearing would not take place. You understand that?
Trial. Yes, I understand.
Mr. Jolly.
Yes, I do
Mr.
understand.
Jolly. Mr. Jolly.
Yes, sir.
You've been before me, I don't know how many times, right? Are you sure you don't want somebody to just help you make these decisions and to assist you as an attorney in this case?
Again, I choose to represent myself. I was aware of the help and was thankful for the help the other day. If you recommend that I talk with somebody as I leave here.
Well, I'm not going to recommend you do anything. I'm a little bit concerned because when I ask you questions, I don't think you know what you're doing. I don't think you know what you're doing procedurally. And that causes me a bit of a concern. you want to get to, as I told you the last time you were here, you want to get to a certain point. You're not sure how
Let's
to
go back
get
to the
there.
preliminary exam. We can
You want a preliminary examination?
that'll work. Yep. Yes, I will.
All right. If you want a preliminary examination, you intend to represent yourself.
Yes.
Is that correct, sir?
Correct.
Do you have all of the discovery, sir?
I filed for it. I'm gonna have to refile now that I'm competent, but I don't, not when I'm in my possession because I was incarcerated.
All the discovery has not been provided. You don't have it.
It was emailed to me, but I'm incarcerated now, so I don't have it now. Request.
If the people could try to make sure that whatever discovery is, it be provided to the jail so that they can get it to this defendant.
I can print another copy of the report.
Okay.
Not today, the printer in our office is broken, but there was a media notice that was body cam that was given to him in court at one of the last dates.
Okay.
That was on a DVD.
You remember that, sir?
I do remember the disc. Yeah, I didn't. Yeah.
Okay.
So he has the disc.
He has the disc. He just
another copy of
the paper report, and we'll get that to you. Okay. Would the people have their witnesses available the 4th, or you need more time? All right. Preliminary examination in person will be set June 11th, 2024, 9 a.m. That's before me. And we'll continue this case. All right. Thank you, Mr. Jolly.